Hey guys, welcome back to Kai TV. I'm Kai and I want to go ahead and show you guys my new Amazon purchase. I had just bought a Mount Dog LED ring light, so I want to go ahead and show you guys how it works, show you guys how to set it up and everything like that. I just decided to get a ring light because I wanted to make more YouTube videos with better quality content, so I needed a light to do it. And since we in quarantine, I feel like I might as well go ahead and get my videos like together so that I can start dropping stuff because I have nothing but time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I put it together. I'm gonna show you guys how it's packaged and everything like that. So go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press the notification button because since I have so much time on my hands, I might as well go ahead and make a lot of videos. So you want to be notified when I go ahead and drop these videos. So make sure you do that. And don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, we're gonna get straight into it. So I'm about to take out my ring light. I got it earlier today. I haven't opened it yet. Excuse my yoga mat on the floor. All right, let's take it out the box. This is what it looks like. It comes with it's fragile. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like when I take it out the box. This is just the package that it comes with, and it says Mount Dog on it. It's upside down, but you get the gist. And then here is the tripod right there. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Inside we have these. I did open it last night, so that's why it's a little loose right here. And these ones still have the rubber band on it. But these are just like the covers for the light. So you have the yellow ones, the orange ones, and then you have the white one. And then in the inside, there's the ring lights. It is so big. It's so nice. Okay, and then put this to the side. So then the inside has, and then here is the charger, and then the two pieces that it comes with. Like I said, I opened it last night, so everything isn't like wrapped up like it was before. The charger does come with two pieces. This is like the battery piece, and then this is the piece that you plug into the wall, the cord. So we just have these two. And then it comes with like a tripod, like the holder for your phone. And then it comes with this right here. So, all right, so let's put it together. Okay, so this is how the light looks on me. This is at its full setting. This is as high as it gets, as bright as it gets. And then you can dim it a little bit. Down. Ooh, this is cute. Yo, this is cute. Yep, so this is just the white. This is just the white covers. So we can try these in a minute. I just want to show you how it looks. This is dim, this is off. Compared to it being off, just natural sunlight. It is kind of a cloudy day today. And this is as bright as it gets. All right, so we're gonna show you the other one. Oh, this is fucking pretty. I wish you guys can see this. I'm about to show you. Hold on. This shit is right. God, I'm blind. Woo. The orange ones are way more see-through. These are very see, the orange ones are way more see-through. These are very hollow and cloudy. Like you can't see through it at all, like at all. These ones you can definitely see through it, so it's really pretty. All right, let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the, oh, it's so cute. Like, I wish you guys could see this. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. But this is like it dimmed, and then brighter. Ugh. So see, this orange one is a lot brighter than this one. You can't see the light, the actual light when this one's on there, but you see like the little light bulbs in the orange one. So if you try to do a video with these orange ones on there, which I don't even know if that's what it's made for, but it's gonna be kind of hard to look in the camera right in there because you can see the light bulbs in there really bright in your face. This one, you can't see the lights at all, so it's way easier to take videos or pictures. And I think that's what these are for. I'm not sure if that's what these are for. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. 1 second. Oh, I can't turn it around. So they are a lot brighter. Let me go ahead and turn the brightness down so that you can really see. You see? I'm in love. I'm so excited. Okay, I cannot wait to start doing videos. This is so cute. Oh yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you can be notified when I upload more videos. Like I'm saying, this is quarantine time. I have a lot of time on my hands, baby. Please, let me help you. Help me help you with some good content, okay? With that being said, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Smash the like button. Please do not forget that. No, it's 2 things y'all need to do before y'all leave this channel. Is subscribe and like, okay? For sure. I'm sorry, I'm just filling myself with this light. Anyway, go ahead and comment down below. The link to this light will be down in the description box along with my Twitter and my Instagram. So y'all can go ahead and follow me on social media. My Instagram is KaiCharlieShine, and then my Twitter is going to be __ I'm thick as hell, cause you know. Thank you guys for watching this video.